today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious egg biryani in one pot. So I'm going to show you how to make an electric rice cooker in just few minutes and really easy to make and delicious. So let's get started. So let me show you how I prepare my boiled egg for biryani. So here I have taken just 3 boiled egg and I'm going to add a little bit of oil, a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of chili powder, a bit of garam masala, and coriander powder and salt. And now you just want to mix it all together and make sure all the eggs are covered with the spices. So these are ready. Just put it on the side and let me show you what else we need to make this egg biryani in electric pressure cooker. These are the ingredients. Here I have 1 medium size chopped tomato, green beans, carrots, chopped onion, yogurt, 2 cups of rice soaked for 20 minutes, 3 eggs, chopped mint, chopped cilantro. Here I have 4 mini potatoes that I have boiled and then roasted on the gas stove, so it has a nice charcoal flavor to it. For here I have dry red chilies, star anise, and then bay leaf. Then I have biryani masala, water. I have taken 2.5 cups of water for 2 cups of rice, ginger garlic paste, oil, salt. I will also add some green peas, which is not here, and if I'm forgetting anything I'll mention during the video. And for the vegetables you can use as per your preference. I'm making egg biryani. I don't like to add so much vegetables in it, so I'm just using this 3 and green peas, but it's up to you. If you like more or less, you can just adjust according to your preference. And then I'm going to also use these spices from my spice box. So first we are going to saute the vegetables. So I'm just gonna go to the the saute function. I'm just gonna turn it on, press it twice. I'm going to add oil into it. I'm going to add cumin seeds, and this whole spice, bay leaf, dried chilies, and star anise. I'm not adding too much of whole spice because I'm using homemade biryani masala and it's quite strong, so I don't need to add a lot of whole spice into it. And now I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to fry them and then take it out. I'm going to take out the fried eggs. Add my onions. I'm going to let this cook until it gets soft. The onions are a little soft, so I'm going to add my green beans and carrots. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt so it will cook faster. Alright, so after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my tomatoes. We're going to let this cook for another 2 minutes. I have added green peas as well. So after 2 minutes, it looks soft. And now I'm going to add this yogurt. With the yogurt, you can add spices. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of chili powder, and a biryani masala. Give it a stir. We have to let this cook for about a minute. Alright, so this is ready. Now what I'm going to do is going to add my rice. So before you add your rice, you want to make sure, give it a taste, and if you need any seasoning, you can add it, because you don't want to stir it too much after adding your rice. Before I add rice, I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro and a little bit of mint and give it a stir. Alright, so let's add rice. Try to distribute evenly. You want to make sure you have added enough salt for the rice too. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. And I'm going to add my eggs and add those eggs that we fried it earlier. Roasted potatoes in it. Some mint on top. Cilantro. And then a little bit of clarified butter. I'm going to add water, but before I add water, I'm just going to make a tiny bit of holes right here, and I'm gently going to pour water to it. That should be enough. I end up using 2 cup water for this recipe. We are going to cover the lid. Close it. So after closing it, I'm gonna cancel this saute option, and then we are going to pressure cook this. For 10 minutes only. And I'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright, so it has just done cooking and now it's on the keep warm. So I'm going to let it sit, or let it release the heat itself for about 10 minutes, and I'll be right back and show you. Alright, so as you can see, it's been sitting for 14 minutes. So now we are going to open this lid and see. Before you do that, you want to release any pressure. They have a lot of pressure in it. So now we're going to open it. Look at this egg biryani. Here guys, this is the view of my egg biryani, looking so delicious and tempting, and I hope you have guys enjoy watching this video. Here I have shared my way of making this egg biryani, really easy and quick recipe. And please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot to me. Share this video with your friends and family, and if you like this video, really give me a thumbs up so I can make more videos for you. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.